Looking for a baking pan that combines durability with flawless performance? The Nordic Ware natural aluminum cake pan promises exactly that. Made from pure aluminum, this pan won't rust, ensuring a lifetime of reliable use. Its superior heat conductivity means your baked goods rise evenly and come out perfectly every time. Plus, the reinforced steel rim keeps the pan from warping, so it stays true to shape no matter how often you bake. I've personally found this pan goes beyond the kitchen. While it's designed for baking, I use it as a deep pan with a lid for grilling. The snug-fitting metal cover eliminates the need for wasteful foil, keeping grilled meats warm and fresh from the grill to the table. That tight lid stays put. Watching someone try to remove it the first time is a small but satisfying moment. This pan has become an essential part of my grilling routine, combining durability with smart design. Cleaning is a breeze with just a hand wash, and the pan works best with nylon, wood, or silicone utensils to keep the surface pristine. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware, this 9x13 cake pan delivers both quality and versatility. If you're tired of pans that rust, warp, or don't hold heat evenly, this is worth a look. Whether you bake or grill, the natural aluminum cake pan adapts to your needs and stands up to everyday use. If that sounds like what you want in a pan, consider giving Nordic Ware's natural aluminum cake pan a try. It's more than just bakeware, it's a dependable kitchen companion that makes cooking and cleanup easier. Ready to upgrade your bakeware or find a practical solution for grilling? This pan could be exactly what you need.